Welcome guys, today we're going to go over big data and I'll try to condense this lesson as small as possible so we can get over with it quickly. Okay, so 2.7 big data. Big data are sets of data that are so large or complex that traditional data processing aren't capable of dealing with them. But with advances in memory and processing power, we can now quickly turn this information into valuable resources for us to use, and an example would be bank companies that have a lot of data that they used to use for their advantage, with algorithms and try to recommend them stuff they might like. Okay, so 2.7 lesson practice, 1 question quiz. It's pretty simple. How big is the terabyte? It's 2 to the 40th bits. So yeah guys, hopefully this was a short, brief explanation of what big data is. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video on 2.8.